are doing great today. My name is Zahwa Herenisa. I'm from State High School, One Depok, West Java. And today, I will read a story from West Kalimantan called The Golden Watermelon. You guys ready? Let's get right into it. So, once upon a time, in the avenue in West Kalimantan lived a wealthy merchant, but apparently he was died. He had two sons named was Muzakir and Dermawan. Both of his sons have very upset personalities. Let's start with their story. But don't get mixed up with this man. First of all, he's kind, loving, a man generous, literally the greatest guy you'll ever meet in your whole entire life. But Muzakir, his evil old man got real big ego. Not to mention, he'll stab you in the back, but literally and metaphorically, one day the merchant died. But before he died, he already split his belongings. So both of his sons are quelling. Now, he kept things pretty simple. So, he took his part here and put in safe box. That's it. But Dermawan, just by knowing his name, you know, what's this man gonna do? So, he will receive his party here. And then suddenly, lots of cool people were lining up in the front of his house. So, he took his part and literally gave it all the way to these two people. Man, what a great guy, but apparently as soon as it ends, he became poor. He had to move to a smaller house, get a job as foreman, and even though his salary was not much, probably run a day. I also called with him 3 times a day. And next day, a crow fell from one of his roofs. He picked up, said, "What happened to your logbook? Are you like a wingman? You know, I'll get you back in this place in no time, okay?" So Dermawan went at the crow. So 1, 2, or 3 days, the crow called finally fly again. But next day, the crow come back with the present, which is a seed, and give it to Dermawan. Dermawan, he was quickly emerged in confusion. It's a seed, awful. But still he has a seed and not every single day. So, in a few months, the seed grew into life. Now, I'm pretty sure each and every one of you have already seen a watermelon, right? So like one this big, that's your normal or not, but this one is special, super duper special. Let me tell you why. Okay, it's watermelon, it's gigantic, it's so big, it's humongous, it's weight around 500 euro. I'm not kidding, but this thing's real. And then the wall was even stronger than me. Okay, there's no way this is a watermelon. Okay, yes, so Dermawan decided to sweep the water on the house and stress with the whole village. Because sharing is caring, am I right? And then it's okay, just imagine it like, "Oh Lord, please give me some power. I'm not going to use for dodge. Let's do this. Look, it's super nice." Somehow, the machine got stuck. So, he took a peek on what's inside. Oh, there's no way. That's what I think it is. No way. Yep, it's legit. What did he found? It's gold. Gold inside a watermelon. He was so happy. Every village heard it, and the word spread too fast like chicken pox. Yeah, like chicken pox on your body, man, like on your body, and then the word got to his own brother. He quickly felt envious. Now, there's the way my brother beginning is some gold, and I'm getting loaded. Hey you! Yeah, you, come on. I want you to give me some watermelon seed, and whether a pot got the as soon as possible. What you doing here? Me? Give us the stuff now, and then time has come. Get the exact sometime, something, just The moral of the story is pretty simple. I got 3 morals for each in different of you. So, first of all, don't be greedy. If you have more than you need, giving it to others that need a lot more than you do. Many people struggle out there, unlike us living a great life. We should share what we have with them. The second of all, we should be kind. So, let's spread love and speech through everybody, including your enemies. And then lastly, very simple. If you do a good thing, God will give you something in return, and you won't even realize. It is extraordinary to see. It's come at you. That's all for me. I'm Zahra Risa, and goodbye.